Front-end developer interview practice questions, set 5. Question 1. Which of the following is used to add a comment in JavaScript? The correct answer is A. Double backslashes for comment. JavaScript uses double backslashes for single-line comments. Question 2. Which CSS property is used to set the width of an element? A. Width. B. Size. C. Length. D. Dimension. The correct answer is A. Width. The width property is used to set the width of an element. Question 3. How can you prevent a page from being cached in HTML? A. Use cache no. B. No store directive in HTTP headers. C. Cache no. D. Meta no cache tag. The correct answer is B. No store directive in HTTP headers. The no store directive in HTTP headers disables caching. Question 4. Which HTML element defines a form control? The correct answer is A. Input. Input is used to define form controls like text fields, buttons. Question 5. What does the visibility hidden property do in CSS? A. Makes the element visible but it doesn't take space. B. Hides the element without removing it from document flow. C. Removes the element completely from the layout. D. Makes the element invisible but still occupies space. The correct answer is B. Hides the element without removing it from document flow. Visibility hidden hides an element while keeping its space in the layout. Question 6. Which of these CSS properties controls the alignment of items in a flex container? A. Align items. B. Justify items. C. Align content. D. Justify content. The correct answer is A. Align items. Align items controls the alignment of items along the cross-axis. Question 7. Which JavaScript method returns the first index of a specified element in an array? A. Index of. B. Find index. C. Get index. D. First index. The correct answer is A. Index of. Index of returns the first index of a specified element in an array. Question 8. What is the default value of the position property in CSS? A. Absolute. B. Relative. C. Static. D. Fixed. The correct answer is C. Static. The default value of position is static, meaning no specific positioning. Question 9. Which of the following is a valid way to import a CSS file into an HTML file? The correct answer is A. Question 10. How can you make a form field mandatory in HTML? A. Use the required attribute. B. Use the mandatory attribute. C. Use the validate attribute. D. Use the checked attribute. The correct answer is A. Use the required attribute. The required attribute ensures that the field must be filled out. Question 11. Which CSS property can you use to change the font size? A. Font size. B. Font weight. C. Text size. D. Text weight. The correct answer is A. Font size. Font size sets the size of the text in an element. Question 12. Which HTML tag is used to define an ordered list? The correct answer is B. OL. OL is used to create an ordered list, with numbered items. Question 13. What does the z-index property do in CSS? A. Controls the vertical positioning of an element. B. Controls the stack order of elements. C. Sets the size of the element. D. Controls the element's visibility. The correct answer is B. Controls the stack order of elements. Z-index controls the stacking order of elements on the z-axis. Question 14. Which JavaScript method is used to parse a JSON string? The correct answer is B. JSON.parse. JSON.parse is used to parse a JSON string into an object. Question 15. Which HTML element is used to embed a video in a web page? The correct answer is C. Video. Video is used to embed a video file in HTML. Question 16. Which of the following methods is used to hide an element in JavaScript? The correct answer is B. Element. Style. Display equals none. Setting display to none hides the element completely in JavaScript. Question 17. What is the correct way to add a comment in HTML? The correct answer is B. Question 18. What is the purpose of the viewport meta tag in HTML? A. Specifies the document's character set. B. Defines the viewport dimensions for responsive design. C. Specifies the style of the page. D. Defines the image source for the page. The correct answer is B. Defines the viewport dimensions for responsive design. The viewport meta tag is used to control layout on mobile devices. Question 19. Which method is used to find an element by its ID in JavaScript? A. Get element by ID. B. Query selector. C. Find element by ID. D. Select element. The correct answer is A. Get element by ID. Get element by ID is used to select an element by its ID in JavaScript. Question 20. What is the purpose of the src attribute in an img tag? A. Specifies the image source file path. B. Sets the image's width. C. Sets the image's height. D. Defines the image's alt text. The correct answer is A. Specifies the image source file path. The src attribute defines the file path of the image to display.